Buggy, the strongest emperor. Well, in last video, as I told you, Buggy has become 4th emperor alongside Blackbird, Luffy and Shanks. But the more greater news is that he had made alliance with Crocodile and Mihawk, an alliance named Cross Guild. Yes, you heard it right, Mihawk and Crocodile is similar to Zoro and Sanji, 1st and 2nd commander. Back in the Marineford arc, Mihawk said that Luffy has the most intimidating power to make allies people around him. Thanks to my intense color observation Haki, I have in the past itself foreseen that Buggy is also the similar. He also easily make people join him. Elvida is the biggest example, and now 2 former Shichibukais. Now even Blackbird will also think twice before going against Buggy the Clown. Buggy is a deadly combination of Blackbird's treachery and Clown's unpredictable nature. But I have a theory that Buggy might defeat Blackbird. The reason is that Buggy's Devil Fruit is the natural counter to Blackbird's DF. Why I think so? You can argue that since Luffy's fruit awakened and it is a symbol of Sun God power, wouldn't it be a natural counter to Blackbird Yami Yami no Mi? Well, by that logic, Sabo's DF is not even awakened. So how can we be sure that Luffy is the one that going to fight Blackbird one-on-one? People are forgetting Blackbird's nature is not fair fight. It is only winning, no matter at what cost. That type of mindset apart from Blackbird is in Buggy's as well. Right from the beginning, when he was even child, we have shown that how cunning he was. Buggy's Devil Fruit is also not awakened. The reason why Buggy's fruit is counter to Blackbird's, we have seen in the Ace fight that Blackbird's fruit consumes whatever comes its way and break it internally. As we have seen pieces of buildings come from the Blackbird's Devil Fruit. Power is like that alien from Ben 10 which swallows and throws with increased power. So no matter what, even if Blackbird cuts down Buggy into nanoparticles, he still cannot die. Buggy Devil Fruit is like a Majin Buu who even from the one piece can regenerate itself. People underestimate Buggy's Devil Fruit power. It might be possible that Buggy with Sabo, either Luffy, team up one of them and defeat Blackbird. If Sabo's DF power combined with Buggy's, then solar particles in huge quantity can destroy Yami Yami no Mi. So Buggy pretty much in my opinion is capable of defeating Blackbird. That he might also play a crucial role, this is clear now. Another important news is that Admiral Green Bull has run away after Shanks' arrival on Wano. Momonosuke has successfully defended his nation.